The questioning of Riya Chakravarti could happen any time tomorrow. She will be confronted with Siddharth Pithani and Deepesh Sawant. Now, who are these two people? Siddharth Pithani is an associate of Sushant Singh Rajput. Deepesh Sawant was also in the house at the time that Sushant was found dead, and both of these men were among the three who were the first ones present inside Sushant's room when the door was opened. And now there is a likelihood, Tamal, that's what you're learning, that these people will be brought face to face with Riya Chakravarti. What is the nature of questioning that will follow?
It is now set for Riya Chakravarti's questioning by the central agency. Why? Because today, for the first time, Riya Chakravarti's brother Soumik Chakravarti is being questioned by CBI at the DRDO guest house, and that's not all. Even as we speak, right behind me is the Axis Bank, the Vangala branch in Mumbai, where Riya Chakravarti's father, Indrajit Chakravarti, has been inside along with ED officials for the past 4 hours 40 minutes. For the past 4 hours 40 minutes, 3 ED officials had been going through each and every document, each and every account detail, the locker the Chakravarti family had at this particular branch of Axis Bank. So it seems like in this multi-pronged investigation done by multiple agencies, all central agencies, on one hand CBI, on the other hand Enforcement Directorate, and now that NCB2 has come into the picture, it seems like all multi-pronged investigation indicate that they are trying to set the stage before they question Riya Chakravarti. They investigate every aspect of it. As you rightly said, yes, there is a high possibility of Deepesh, Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj, and of course Samuel Miranda being questioned once again along with Riya Chakravarti, purely for the fact that Riya Chakravarti had stayed in that same very Bandra house till 8th of June, and when she stepped out on 8th of June, there are allegations against her that she had destroyed hard disks. That's one. Okay. Second of all, Deepesh, Neeraj, Siddharth Pithani were all there inside the premises, inside the flat on June 14, when Sushant Singh Rajput's body was recovered under mysterious circumstances. So while trying to join the dots, it's all about juxtapositioning the one statement against the other, and thus there is a high possibility, as and when Riya Chakravarti is being questioned by CBI, which in all likeness would happen tomorrow, these people would also be there at the CBI office. Padmaja, before I toss you back,
yes.
The Enforcement Directorate had apparently seized several documents. They had brought in a weighing machine to weigh a lot of things from the locker. All that has happened. Indrajit Chakravarti is yet to come out from the bank.
All right, stay with me, Tamal, because the Narcotics Control Bureau is going to grill Riya Chakravarti, Shruti Modi and Samuel Miranda. Now, you would remember these names, and today we are going to get you more chats, more linkages. These people are going to be spoken to tomorrow by the Narcotics Control Bureau. These are individuals who had chats with each other, chats that were deleted by Riya Chakravarti and have since been recovered by the Enforcement Directorate from the iCloud, and now all of these people, including Jaya Saha, are going to be summoned. Kajal, more details. Kajal, can you hear me?
If you could just repeat the question a bit more.
Yes, the question, the question was that tomorrow is going to be the first round of questioning in all likelihood of Riya Chakravarti, especially getting her face to face with individuals that Times Now had shown first were chatting to each other about drugs. Tell us about that, the nature of questions, any specific angles that the NCB is going to concentrate on.
Of course, the questions that the NCB is likely to ask her, of course, is whether or not she had consumed drugs, whether or not she had procured drugs for anyone else. If she had consumed or procured drugs, then what was the mode that was used? Where did the payment happen from? How did she get in touch with those people who sold her those drugs? Who were the peddlers? What are the links of the peddlers? How did she get to know? Because it's because they would want to link the entire thing to try and find out how does one get to get in contact with the peddler, and how deep are these peddler networks spread in Bollywood. All of these things will be part of the questionnaire that they are preparing. They will, of course, also perhaps insist on a blood sample because we are being told that the NCB does have technology that can trace back your drug usage for at least 3 months prior, and that is why they would probably want to try and do that too.
Okay. Stay with me. I'm taking a very quick break. More on the other side, even as we speak. The questioning of various people linked to Riya Chakravarti and Sushant Singh is underway. We're getting you ground reports.